Today we're in Lebanon, Ohio at the Route 42 car show. Let's see some of these cool cars. Look at this sweet Cadillac. Man, that thing's nice. Man, that's a beautiful Corvette. It says a 58. I normally don't like brown cars, but this Roadrunner is beautiful. 1971. Nice looking car, man. Placard says a 69 Camaro. That's pretty sweet.
Truck, please.
Mercury Meteor. (1922) Ford Model T. My dad had one of these when I was a kid. It's a beautiful 1967 Camaro.
I'll wipe it down when it damns out, but I don't.
55 Bel Air.
Oh, man.
Hey, don't get much better than these.
A parking polo. It stood on the radiator and it was this thing hanging.
It's beautiful. 1955 Sunliner. Kathy's Clown. It's pretty neat. Man, that's really cool. Got the dice hanging there. Oh man, look at this. 1956 Ford Victoria. That's a nice paint job. Man, it's a nice car. Good look at the interior.
So as the sun goes down, it turns burgundy. The problem is you're trying to get the color.
Oh man, this Olds is beautiful.
But I mean, it would have been a standard, you know, with a candy color. You got to play with the genuine, what we call it. Oh, you can.
96 years old. Still such a cool car. Man. Equally beautiful Camaro. And this Gran Torino we have seen before. (1954) Bel Air. Oh man. 2017 Corvette. It's nice.
Tiffany Baker. Tiffany Baker, if you're floating around here anywhere, come up to the DJ booth, please. Tiffany Baker.
Check out this Chevy. Try to drown out the Bon Jovi. Never a fan. Maserati. I think I would struggle getting it out of that thing. But this is awesome. The 63 split window Corvette. My aunt had one of these when I was a kid. That is sweet. A couple of good looking Camaros, but I always gravitate towards these orange ones. Oh, interior is cool. Trans Am. Look at that. Look at that. Gotta get a look at that hood. There's my Uncle Earl's brother's car, Gary's car. That's sweet. That is a beautiful car. There we go. Love the bugs. That's awesome. Beautiful.
That's what I do. I'm in my park.
Are you? Love that blue. I'm gonna have to look at that interior.
Long Beach Blue Pearl.
That's beautiful. It's a nice looking Ford. What would you call that color? Salmon? Check out this Bel Air. That is so nice. '2007 Indy 500 pace car. Can't leave out the Broncos. We got another one over here. It's really cool. '66. That is awesome. That's nice looking.
It was just black, right? It looks like yours. Boy, it didn't shine like it.
All right, so that does it for Route 42 car show in Lebanon, Ohio. Really nice event. So if I want to check it out some year,